Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my brother and sister? I hope you are doing very well and your family also doing very well. Okay, so today inshallah we are going to discuss more than one letters. This is our third lesson. Before two classes we did about alphabets, Arabic alphabets. We did about bold letters, we did about thick letters. Okay, so right now this is the third lesson, which is about more than one letters. Before we did one letters. Okay, you just look this page, you see there are a lot of letters, lot of the letters in one. You have also option here. Okay, so I'm going to read. You need to follow me. Okay, so first of all I'm going to start from the first line. You need to follow me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This is very easy, very simple. The letter is straight, that is alif. Alif. Okay, and this one is lam, alif. So if you look you have a below a small option here. If you look there, this is the option here. You have an option in the below, that one, that is in whole page. You have us here is option, just for your understanding. Okay, these option is given just for your understanding. Now in this page you have the option here, but when you going to the next page you don't have any option. You need to understand the shapes according to your knowledge. Okay, according to your memorizing. All right, so right now look, the first one is lam, the second one is alif. If you look the brown, this is the first one, right? This is lam and the next one is alif. So how we pronounce this? We said lam alif. Okay, lam alif. If you say alif lam alif lam alif balif lam alif, that is fine, but this is not perfect. If you're going to do with the proper rules, proper tajweed, with the true pronunciation of Quran, you need to read like that. Okay, follow me. Lam alif. Next, lam alif. You see the first one is lam alif, the second one is again lam alif, the purple is lam and the black is alif. Okay, it's very simple. So there are 5 shapes of lam alif which are used in Quran. When you inshallah started Quran, you will see, and after 5 to 10 pages you will see that these shapes. Okay, so right now understand the lam alif shape. How many lam alif shape are there? The first is lam alif, this shape is lam alif. If you go this one, this is lam alif, and here is one more shape of lam alif. Okay, and if you look, this one is lam alif, this and this same. Okay, and again this is lam alif. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So these are lam alif. Okay, so you need to understand, you need to remember, right? I'm going to read. Lam alif, the purple is lam, the black one is alif. Okay, the next one, ba alif. One thing you need to remember, the shape of alif usually used in Quran, mostly 50 to 60% chances this one is these shape are used. Okay, so this one is lam alif. If you look this is alif. Okay, if you look this shape, this is alif. Many people they say that many people said this is sometimes they said this is lam, but this is not lam, this is alif. Okay, this one is alif. If you look, this one is alif, this one is alif. All right, okay, if you go back, this one is alif, kaf and alif. Okay, if you go the next one, that is there is alif. Okay, in this shape again there is alif shape. Okay, this is alif, this is alif, this is alif. Okay, so just remember, whenever you have This shape, just close your eyes and said this is alif without any thinking. You can ask this, you can say it, this is alif. Okay, understand? So one, this shape is always alif. Okay, second thing you need to remember, this is very important for the beginner, the shape which have two dots below, that is called ya. Okay, in Arabic, if you have two dots below, that is called ya. Okay, look now, this is very important, it will help you. If you look two dots below, look, this is ya, two dots below, ya and alif. If you look two dots, yasin. Okay, all right, this is yasin. In the next page you have lot of example, right? When we start in the next page, you have too many example of ya which have two dots below. So right now memorize, remember it, put in your mind the two shape below, two dots below, that will be ya. Okay brother, so I'm going to start, follow me. Ba alif, lam alif. Okay, ba alif, lam alif, lam, this is simple. Next, lam alif, lam, this is the shape of lam is purple. Okay, and alif is brown, right? Next, lam ha, the lam one is brown and the ha is black. Okay, okay my brother and sister, understand, this is lam, the first brown is lam. You need to remember this. Okay, this is little bit difficult, just remember. Okay, lam and the black is ha. Next, brown is lam, black is ha, alif, lam alif. And the next one, ba, one dot below, ba, and the middle is lam, and the last is ba, ba lam ba, ba lam ba. All right, two kinds of just right now read it only, ba lam ba. Next, so look now, I told you in the previous class there are two kinds of qaf. One qaf is bold qaf, the other qaf which haven't any dot, that is called thick qaf. So right now I'm writing now one qaf which have two dots below like this, that is qaf, that is bold qaf. Okay, and the other qaf, that one is, this is called thick qaf. Right now there are two shapes are thick qaf. Okay, this is thick qaf, that one, and this thick qaf you already know. Okay, this is calf, this is calf, but these calf are belong to thick, not bold. Okay, not cough, right? Calf, calf, right? Now go to the next one. Calf ba, calf ba. Okay, the Arabic, in Arabic you look, this is the half shape of calf, but it's belong to this calf. If you go to the next one, this is next is also calf ba, but this calf is related to that calf. Okay, this shape is related to this calf. If you go next, this calf is related to that one, and if you look, this calf, this is related to that one. Okay, I'm reading now, just observe, and you need to read after me or with me. Okay, if you're watching the video, you need to read with me, it will help you inshallah. Kaf ba, kaf ba, kaf alif, kaf alif. Next one, ba kaf ta, ba kaf ta. If you look in the middle, this is kaf, this kaf is related to that one. Okay, my brother and my sister, I hope you understand. Ba kaf ta. Next, ta kaf tha, ta kaf tha. In the middle is kaf, this one. So this kaf is related to that one. Okay, not this one. Okay, this is related to that calf. Understand the shapes. If you understand shapes, inshallah, right now here you understand the shapes, inshallah, you did not forget, inshallah. Okay, the Quran recitation of Quran will be very easy for you. I'm trying to deliver everything in easy word. Okay, next one. Ba, ta, tha, noon, ja, ba, alif. I already told you that is alif. Okay, ba, alif, noon, alif, ta, alif. Next, ja, alif. Next, tha, alif. And the next is ba, sin. Ba, sin. Very easy. Next two dots below, I told you, remember, that is ya. Two dots below, that is ya. Without any thinking, said it, that is ya. Okay, ya, sin. Ya, sin. Okay, next one. Noon, sin. This is noon. Lot of brothers and sisters recite this. This is za or dal. Okay, this is not za. This is not dal. This is noon. Okay, noon, sin. And next is ta, sin. Ta, sin. Next one, tha, sin. Tha, sin. Tha, sin. And next is three dots on top, that is tha again. Tha, jeeb. Tha, jeeb. And two dots on top, that will be ta. Okay, the brown is ta and the black is ha. So it's going to be now ta, ha, ta, ha, ta, ha. Okay, my brother and my sister, I hope you understand very well. Okay, if you practice, if you watch video so many times, okay, if you repeat after me, you can take help from this video. Okay, if you want the page of this lesson, you need to text me. I will send you my WhatsApp number. You can text me on my WhatsApp and you can ask question, okay, about anything. You can ask question about anything, religion, anything about pray, anything about umrah, hajj, anything. Okay, you need to text me. You can text me anytime. Okay, I will help you, inshallah. I will guide you and I will help you. But please keep, inshallah, you just practice, keep practicing. Okay, when you practice, inshallah, you can easily get these things. Okay, the Quran, recitation of Quran is depend on your practice. If you practice, read, and inshallah it will be very good. Okay, so my brother and sister, that's it for today. So inshallah we will see you in the next class, and inshallah I hope you understand. So keep in your mind, don't forget to subscribe my channel and please share with your friends and family members. Okay, see you next class inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.